Closing deals means using a consistent strategy, and superheroes like Spider-Man know that consistency is key. Spider-Man doesn't use different web techniques every time. He has a system, just like your sales reps should. You've got different reps using different techniques to close deals. One's using a soft approach, another is aggressive, and someone else is going off script. It's chaos. You need a unified approach like Spider-Man knowing when and how to strike. Sales enablement tools like HighSpot, Seismic, and Showpad help ensure your team has access to consistent closing materials, scripts, and strategies. Gong and Chili Piper can track how your team's conversations go and suggest best practices based on real data. And with moksy.ai, you can create personalized websites for each deal, ensuring your team uses a consistent approach to close deals with the right messaging. Subscribe to learn more.